Hello my beautiful queen. So today's video is brought to you by no other than Pureauty. Hopefully I am saying this company name right. If I'm not, I am truly sorry. But this company was nice enough to send me over 2 of their products. They did send me over their Biotin Conditioner as well as their Biotin Shampoo. If you want to know all the little specs about these 2 products as well as see a tutorial, stay tuned. Both of these bottles do come in 8 fluid ounces. If you are a female or a male who is experiencing any type of hair loss, using these 2 products can help support healthier, fuller looking hair. Nowadays, hair loss shampoos and conditioners are becoming very popular to help regrow your hair due to the fact of it having biotin in it.
Say what?
One thing that I did notice about the site is that they give you the option to either buy 1 bottle, 3 bottles, or 6 bottles. Now, I'm going to go ahead and snatch baby girl off my head. I'm going to do my pre-poo treatment, and I'm going to show you guys how I use both the shampoo and conditioner and give you guys my final thoughts. So, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I just came out the shower and this is how my hair is looking. I did go in with my aloe vera treatment. I did not show you guys how to do that because I already have a video on how to make it and how I apply it to my hair. I'm going to leave it up top in the cards as well as down below in the description box. So I have 4C low porosity hair. My hair tends to dry really quick and it do take longer to absorb water. Some of the water has, like, my hair is starting to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do a lymph check in the back for y'all, just so you guys can get an idea of where my hair stops at. I do have a lot of shrinkage. My hair shrinks up really bad, but it looks like it's stopping at armpit length. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the container. Now I did go ahead and put the treatment in my hair. All I did was just rinse it out. I didn't shampoo, I didn't condition, nothing to that nature. As y'all can see, this is my first time opening this bottle. Guys, I do want to apologize for any outside noise. They are doing construction in around my area, but the way, oh god, this is packaged in really tight. At least I know no product is going to come out. See, this is what I like. I like when companies seal their products because I don't have to be worried about the cap coming off and everything spilling out. But this is packaged well. Y'all, I'm over here struggling. The direction says to apply to wet hair. Make sure to lather from roots to tips. Rinse. Follow up with the conditioner as well as the Biotin hair serum. I do wish I had the hair serum. I think I'm going to go on their website and order it. The scent of the shampoo is warm and sweet vanilla. So I'm going to just see how it smells. I do like it have like this little piece on top. Okay, the shampoo doesn't smell too bad. The scent is not overpowering at all. I do have my spray bottle with some warm water. I'm going to spray my hair and apply the shampoo, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think. So far, so good. I am taking the balls of my fingertips and massaging my scalp. I like to do this anytime I add my shampoo or my conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and finish shampooing my hair in the bathroom. I'm going to do at least 2 washes, and I'm going to come back on camera and let you guys know what I think about the shampoo. Okay, guys, so my camera battery had died, so I had to go charge it. And my hair ended up air drying. It is a little wet in the back, but once it is pretty much 95% air dried, and this is pretty much how my hair is looking. Now, my thoughts on the shampoo is I actually like it. The smell was not overpowering at all when I went in the bathroom to wash my hair. I will more so label this shampoo as a clarifying shampoo. This shampoo really got my hair squeaky clean. I have not shampooed my hair in about a month or so, and it really got my scalp cleanse. I think the next time that I use this shampoo, I will only use it on my scalp only and not on the entire length of my hair. I do have 4C hair, and with that particular hair texture, if you're not too careful, your hair can tangle. And I noticed once I was running the shampoo through the length of my hair, I noticed the ends of my hair started to get a little bit tangled, but it could have been the way I was applying the shampoo to my hair. Even though my hair is 95% dry, I can actually still smell the scent of the shampoo in my hair, and it really has pea sprout extract, and it also has vitamin B3 in it. So the way you use this product is after shampooing, you apply to wet hair starting from ends to roots. Then you leave it on for several minutes and then follow up with the Biotin Serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish adding this conditioner to my hair, let it sit in for several minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and let you guys know my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this conditioner is I feel like the smell is just a slight difference than the shampoo. It doesn't smell too bad at all. I still can smell the scent in my hair, and my kids was actually in the bedroom and they came out in the living room and they can actually smell the scent in the living room. So you can actually smell the scent. Like I said, I do like how the scent smells. This conditioner isn't as thick as I normally like my conditioners. Once I started applying the product through my strands at the ends, I noticed the little knots and the little tangles. It instantly melts away. It was easy for me to detangle my hair. I didn't have to detangle my hair with a detangling brush. So in my opinion, I do feel like it do have slip. I do feel like these products did meet my expectations. I never tried a product that had biotin in it before, so this is my first time trying this. I do want to try the Biotin Serum to see how it works with my hair. I did leave the conditioner on for about 20 to 25 minutes. My hair do feel really soft. It feels very moisturized. My hair feels very light and very fluffy. So I can't wait to be trying these products out again. But I am going to close out this video because I am going to finish out my wash day routine. I wanted this video to be solely based on these two products and nothing else. I am doing a protective style like I said earlier. So shout outs to the company for sending me these products to review for you guys. I am gonna leave the information down below in the description box where you guys can go ahead and purchase the shampoo and the conditioner. And let me know your thoughts. Have you tried these two products before? Do you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know what you think. Let's chop it up in the comment section. But like I always say, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications. So every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace! After filming this video, I did go ahead and check Amazon, and to my surprise, I did find the Biotin Serum on Amazon. They do have an Amazon shop. Now, I do love how the packaging came on this product. The details was, clearly printed on the packaging as well as the serum. I do love how the serum was packaged perfectly. As y'all can see, the plastic is all over this product, so that gave me a very sense of security that my product will not leak out. Another thing that I do like is a pump on this product. Now, for starters, as y'all can see, this was my first time using the product, and that is how much was used. I thought that this pump was like actually a spray type of pump, but it really wasn't. The pump was more so just squirting out the product. A lot was coming out with just one squirt. So I made the mistake of just taking the bottle and spraying it all over my scalp, and that's how I was able to use so much. I do recommend that you pump 1 or 2 pumps on the balls of your fingertips and use that and massage your scalp to get the product all over your scalp. Other than that, the product do smell really good. It's very lightweight. I do like the peppermint smell of this product. Another thing that I do like about this packaging is the lock-in mechanism. If you turn left or right, the product will either open or close, which is great because you don't have to worry about your product spilling.